Good morning, everyone. They say the best way to predict the future is to create it. But today, we are here to do one better. Welcome to HIRE-4-THON, where your code doesn't just build a product, it builds your career. This inauguration ceremony is also being live streamed on YouTube. To begin our proceedings on a soulful note and invite positivity into this hall, let us join our hearts for an invocation song. I now call upon Sahana and team for a soulful invocation song.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Thank you, girls. To extend a formal welcome and set the stage for HIRE-4-THON, I am honored to invite Dr. Pavana ma'am for the welcome address.
A very good morning. I extend a warm and a heartfelt welcome to Sri R. Rajagopala Naidu sir, President, Kammavari Sangam, whose guidance and leadership continues to inspire us all. We are truly delighted to have you with us today, sir. I request Janavi to welcome sir with a bouquet. Thank you. I extend a warm welcome to Sri R. Leela Shankar Rao, Honorable Secretary Sir, Kammavari Sangam, who is a pillar of support and motivation in his absence here. I extend a very warm welcome to Sri T. Neerakshalu Naidu Sir, Treasurer, Kammavari Sangam, who is a pillar of support and guidance. I request Lokapriya to welcome Sir with a bouquet. Moving on, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our today's guest, Mr. Rakeshian, Vice President of Engineering at Dyashin Technosoft. I request Sahana to welcome sir with a bouquet. I extend a hearty welcome to our second guest for the day, Mr. P. Rajashekar, Chief Architect, Dyashin Technosoft. I request Sahana to welcome sir with a bouquet. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our beloved principal, Dr. Suresh Ramaswamyreddy sir. I request Sanjay to welcome sir with a bouquet. Next, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to Dr. Dilip Kumar, Sir, Principal and Director KSIT. I request Sanjay to welcome Sir with a bouquet. A cordial welcome to Principal of KS Polytechnic, Professor Suresh Sir. I request Sanjay to welcome Sir with a bouquet. Thank you. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Sangappa, PRO, Director Admin, KSGI. I request Sanjay to welcome Sir with a bouquet. Moving forward, let's welcome the heads of various departments. I request Pradin to welcome them. I extend a hearty welcome to Associate Director and Admission, Professor and Head of the Department Mechanical, Dr. B. Balaji. Pradin, welcome, sir. I extend a warm welcome to Head of the Department, Computer Science, Dr. Venkat Rao, sir. Moving forward, let us extend a warm and a cheerful welcome Dr. Manjunath TK, Head of the Department AIDS. I extend a warm welcome to Head of the Department ECE, Dr. Sendil Babu, sir. I also extend a gracious welcome to Head of the Department, Computer Science and Business System, Dr. Ramesh Babu, sir. I also extend a warm welcome to Pavitra ma'am, Head of the Department, Physics. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Swarna ma'am, Head of the Department, Chemistry. I extend a warm welcome to the Head of the Department, Civil, Dr. Arakal Vijay, sir. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Bharat Bhushan, Head of the Department, MBA. Now, moving forward, I cordially welcome our industrial experts and panelists. I request Naila to welcome them. I extend a warm welcome to Mr. Ullas P. I'm delighted to welcome Mr. Varun SM. I extend a warm welcome to Ms. Meghana Nagraj. A very warm welcome to Ms. Kirtana PN. I cordially welcome Srinivas Mahabaleshwar Hegde. I also extend a warm welcome to Mr. Sachin Acharya. I also extend a warm welcome to Mr. Manvit CS. Thank you very much. Thank you. Finally, I take this opportunity to extend a warm and a heartfelt welcome to all our faculty members, supporting staff. I also extend a gracious welcome to all my dear participants who are the true strength behind this event. To our participants who have come from various institutions across the nation, a very special welcome to each and every one of you. Your enthusiasm, creativity, and innovative spirit are what makes this event a meaningful one. We wish you all an exciting, enriching, and inspiring experience ahead. May this hackathon spark new ideas, build lasting collaborations, lead meaningful innovations. Once again, a hearty welcome to one and all for the inaugural ceremony. Let's together make this event a remarkable celebration of learning. Thank you. I also welcome Dr. Vasudev, sir. I request Sneha ma'am to welcome sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Just as a single lamp can light 1,000 others, the ideas born here today have the potential to illuminate the entire tech industry. To seek blessings for this journey on innovation, I request our dignitaries to grace the stage for the lighting of the lamp. Thank you, everyone. To take us into the heart of the challenge and give us a roadmap for the next few hours, I am honored to invite Dr. Manjunath TK Sir, HOD, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, to brief us about the event today.
A very warm welcome to all of you, respected President, respected Treasurer, distinguished guests, respected principals of KSA institutions, directors, faculty members, and my dear students and participants. It is indeed a proud moment for us to host HIRE-4-THON, a national level hackathon at KS School of Engineering and Management. This event organized in association with departments of ADS, CSE, CS&BS, and ECE. Today, we are witnessing the coming together of some of the brightest young minds from different states of India and from various districts across Karnataka. This diversity of participants bring together different perspectives, ideas, and problem-solving approaches, which is exactly the spirit of hackathon. We initially opened registration expecting a limited number of teams. However, the response we received was overwhelming. After the registration deadline, we continued to receive numerous calls and requests from many colleges from different places, asking for additional slots. Unfortunately, due to some infrastructure and mentoring and logistical constraints, we limited for 85 teams. Finally, we accommodated only 85 teams because of these reasons, ensuring that the team gets the right environment, guidance, and resources to work effectively during this hackathon. This itself shows the growing enthusiasm among students across the country to innovate, build solutions, and participate in platforms like this. Hackathons like HIRE-4-THON are not just competition, they are innovation platforms where students challenges themselves, collaborate with their teammates, and transform ideas into practical solutions. The purpose of this hackathon is very clear: to encourage creative thinking, real-world problem solving, teamwork, and technological innovations. But what makes HIRE-4-THON truly unique and impactful is the opportunity it provides to students. For the first time in such a hackathon, the winning team will receive a direct job offer 4 lakhs per annum. I think the credit goes to Dyashin Technologies. Please give them a big hand. For each member of the team, the first place, whatever, 4 numbers or 3 numbers, whatever the team size, each student will get the job offer without any interview if they are from the final year students. Others, with 1 or 2 rounds, they'll get the job. But jobs are guaranteed. So this is a powerful message to all of you. Your skills, your innovation, and your performance can directly open doors to your career. It proves that today's industry values talent, creativity, and problem-solving ability more than just marks or interviews. I sincerely thank the management of KSSEM, the organizing department, faculty members, and our dedicated volunteers who have worked tirelessly to bring this event to life. To all the participants present here today, I would like to say, think boldly, collaborate strongly, build something meaningful. Because sometimes a single idea developed during a hackathon can become the beginning of a startup, research innovation, or successful career journey. So I wish all the participants the very best and look forward to witnessing some brilliant ideas emerge from HIRE-4-THON. Let us make this event memorable and impactful success. Thank you.
Thank you for your insightful words, sir. Moving on, I now invite Janvi to introduce our guest, Mr. Rakesh N. Sir, Vice President of Engineering at Dyashin Technosoft.
Good morning, everyone. It is my privilege to introduce Mr. Rakesh N., the Vice President of Engineering at Dyashin Technosoft. He is a dynamic technology leader with a proven track record of building scalable, secure, and high-performance applications across modern cloud ecosystems. With a career spanning roles from senior architect to senior engineering manager, he brings a powerful blend of deep technical expertise and strategic leadership. His proficiency across cloud computing, cloud security, Java, React, Python, and database systems has enabled him to deliver robust, enterprise grade solutions. He has collaborated with leading global organizations such as Ford, Toyota, Nika, Hancon, Allstate, and Hitachi, making a significant impact across diverse industries. Today, he is at the forefront of innovation, driving engineering excellence and exploring cutting edge technologies like generative AI and agentic AI. Beyond technology, he is passionate about building high performing teams and architecting next generation AI driven platforms. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Rakesh in. Thank you.
Thank you, Janvi. I now invite Sahana to introduce our next guest, Mr. P. Rajshekhar Sir, Chief Architect at Dyashin Technosoft.
Good morning, everyone. It is my privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Mr. P. Rajshekhar, Chief Architect at Dyashin Technosoft. Mr. Rajshekhar is a seasoned technology leader with over a decade of experience in building scalable web applications. Having started his journey as a software engineer in the MeanStack ecosystem, over the years he has progressed through key roles including senior software engineer, technical leader, and solution architect, and currently serves as chief architect, where he leads the generative AI vertical at Dyashin Technosoft. He brings extensive experience working with Fortune 500 clients such as Holcim, EXL Group, Clairvoyant, and Edelweiss, delivering impactful solutions across domains including BFSI, education, and e-commerce. His work reflects a strong blend of technical expertise and strategic vision in architecting modern AI-driven systems. We are truly honored to have him with us today. Please join me in welcoming Mr. P. Rajshekhar.
Thank you, Sahana. I am now deeply honored to call upon our President, Shri R. Rajgopal Naidu Sir, to kindly address the gathering.
Good morning to every one of you of today's function. Our Honorable Secretary, Mr. Leela Shankar Rao, in his absence, and our respected Treasurer, Mr. Nair Naidu, and our today's function Vice President, Mr. Prakash, and today's function another guest, Rajshekhar, Chief Architect, and our Principal, Dr. Suresh Kumar Reddy of KSSEM, and our another Principal of KSIT, Dr. Dilip Kumar, and our KSIT PRO and Director Admissions, Dr. Sangappa, and our Senthil Kumar, and the persons who are responsible and actively participated, all the heads of the departments of KSSEM, particularly Dr. Manjunath, Dr. Venkat, Dr. Balaji, Professor Suresh, and our HOD of MBA, and all the heads of the departments of all the colleges, and my dear students of our college, particularly the students from all over the states like Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Madhya Pradesh, who are all enthusiastically came and participated in this event. On behalf of the management of Kamara Sangam, we welcome you, all my dear students, along with our state, Karnataka, all the districts from all the colleges who came over here to participate in this event. It is a very great pleasure to be here today for the inauguration of HIRE-4-THON, a national level hackathon hosted at KS School of Engineering and Management, organized by the Departments of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in association with the CSE, CS&BS, and ECE. Today's generation of the students is not just learning technology, they are building the future and technology. Hackathon like this are powerful platforms where students come together to think actively, solve real-world problems, and transform ideas into innovations. What makes this hackathon even more exciting is the unique opportunity it offers. This is not just a competition for prizes or recognition. The first prize in winning team will receive a direct job offer without any further interviews. This is a remarkable initiative because it recognizes true talent, problem-solving ability, teamwork, and innovation, the qualities and industries are looking for today. I congratulate the organizers for creating such a meaningful platform that connects innovation with real career opportunities. To all the participants here today, I would like to say, do not think of this just contest. Think of it as a chance of challenge yourself. Collaborate with your teammates and demonstrate your abilities. Sometimes one idea, one solution, or one breakthrough during the hackathon can become the beginning of a great career of even a startup journey. I also participate in the efforts of the faculty members, organizers, and volunteers who have worked tireless to make this event possible. I wish all the participants of this event very best. May this hackathon produce innovative ideas, brilliant solutions, and future technology leaders. With this, I would extend my best wishes for all the grand success of HIRE-4-THON. Particularly, the events like this of our case group of institutions, whether it may be from Campus 1 or Campus 2, we call it is Campus 2. My dear guest students of all our states, you please visit all over the campus from all the departments if you have time tomorrow, because it is the 24 hours hackathon. Our Manjunath was telling throughout night also it will go. So take care of yourself, everything. And if any assistance or help is required, our guest students of all other states, you can take help from the principal or our organizers. So particularly, in my view, in every youth should be active to participate in any competition, whether winning is separate. Everybody try to win, but that is not the last. Even if you can't win, it is a good atmosphere, it is a good attempt to test your knowledge and for further growth. See, for any human being, a good human being like you young gentlemen should have a 5-point program to achieve the life goal. See, why you are studying? You should have to prove yourself. You should go to the higher standards. See, if you go up, your standard of living will be top. As a result, the persons who are responsible, particularly your parents, they will feel more happy and you can help them, you can look after them very well. See, the 5 principles I would like to tell. See, each and every person, whether a student or an employee or whatever the business you are doing, if you want to come up in life, these 5 principles should be followed, my dear students. Please listen these 5 principles. See, you must have more patience. You must give that respect to the time. The time is not equal to anything. Time is gold and time is money. If you respect the time, your character is good. If your character is good, everything is good. Once the character is lost, everything is lost. That you have to be maintained as a human being. The first one is control your anger. See, if you become anger with your colleagues or with your masters, or your professors, or your relations, or your related works. Everybody has got the anger, but it should be under control. See, the accelerator is there. You cannot go for 200 kilometers per hour. There is a limit. Whenever, whatever, how you have to behave, how you have to mingle with the student, with your friends or business concern, or your subject is very important. See, this is the life patterns. So number 2, you control your mind. See what to do, what not to do. If you do it, what happens? If it is not, if you don't do it, what happens? See, you have to judge yourself. Control your mind. Don't go everywhere where your sight goes. You should have some limit of controlling mind, what to do, what not to do. Number 3, you see, keep go on doing work. See, he came over here. Yes, we are very happy and welcome. You go on doing your work. Keep go on doing your work. For any future activities of your life also, keep go on doing work. Leave the result to the God. Definitely, if your work is done very well, then definitely you will get result. Whether it may be in business or in any progress activities of your life in future, everything is like that only. You must do your duty first. You should promptly do, if you do it your duty, definitely God will give you the result and help you in the future. Third one is positive thinking. Fourth one. See, you should have always think positively. If we do something, what happens? Whether we do it or not, all that you leave it. You should think positively. Yes, it is possible. We will get succeed. We will get win. In that mood, you have to go. And fifth one is, you recognize yourself. Yes, you have got degree after 1 year or 2 years, or you are in the final year, whatever it might be. Your capacity, you know that. See, if you don't, even if you don't get jobs, don't frustrate. You try to see, everyone has got some capacity and knowledge in one subject or the other, in one aspect or the other. So, my dear students, keep go on, memorize these 5 points. The students from whichever state, from wherever you came, this is my humble request. If you maintain discipline and character, definitely you will come up. So, this program is very good. See, even for 4 persons, benefit is not, but everybody is enthusiastic and you know the things many, many more. There is a proverb in Telugu, Sanyasi Tirukunda Chada. If you go to participate in everywhere, whatever the things, the offers you have, definitely you will have more knowledge and more viability of your decisions in your future. So anyway, we extend our heartfelt thanks from the management of Kamara Sangam group of institutions, particularly from KSSEM. All the best for all the students. So you should continue and succeed for this 24 hours hackathon. Thank you one and all.
Thank you for your insightful words, sir. It is now my privilege to call upon our treasurer, Shri T. Neerajakshulu Naidu, sir, to kindly address the gathering.
Respected President, distinguished guests, good morning, everyone. My best wishes to all the participants on this national level hackathon. This is your chance to innovate, collaborate, and prove your skills. Stay focused, think creatively, and work as a team. Make the most of this opportunity and give your best. All the very best to each one of you. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you for your wisdomful words, sir. It is my honor to call upon our guest, Mr. Rakesh, sir, to kindly address the gathering.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? All ready for the hackathon? That's good. But I'm not able to hear the voice from the last crowd, as always. Can I hear the voice from the last crowd, please? Are you ready? Good. Okay, so firstly, I would like to thank the management of KSSEM for organizing this and as well as the faculty members over here. So this is a great forum for all of you guys to grab this opportunity. See, at the current generation, the opportunities is very much less. So this is where the management has taken this initiative of creating this opportunity across at a national level for you guys to come over here and participate and grab this job opportunities as well. So looking forward to this is one of the key initiatives. What you have to think through is not the output, you have to think about the outcomes of whatever you're building. Okay, so solutions or the programs what we have given it to you based out of these hackathons are not only considered in a purview of perspectives of output. Please remember this, it is based on outcomes. So we're gonna see your solutioning, we're gonna see how you have solved the problems we have given to you. That is what major importantly matters to us, not the actual output. You run your code, we get output out of that and program solves. No, that is not the purview we are looking for. Please remember this is the core principle. Outcome is very much important for us. Are we good? Okay, so one more information. I'm just like an alumni of this college. I would like to give you this information as well. This was a surprise to management also. So I'm an alumni from CSE department. So I wanted to keep this secret and I want to tell it over here in this forum, just to tell you guys. So it's good to come back to the college and meet all the dignitaries, management and faculties as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your insightful words, sir. It is now my privilege to call upon our principal, Professor Suresh Ramaswamyreddy, sir, to kindly address the gathering.
Honorable President of the Sangam, Sri R. Rajgopal Naidu, respected Treasurer of the Sangam, Sri Neerajakshalu Naidu, Mr. Rakesh, VP, Dyashin Technosoft, Private Limited, Mr. P. Rajshekhar, Chief Architect, Dyashin Technosoft, Private Limited, Professor Dilip Kumar, Principal, KSIT, Professor Sangappa, PRO, Director Admissions, KS Group of Institutions, Professor Suresh, Principal, Polytechnic, KS Polytechnic, my esteemed colleagues, judges, dear students from various institutions within Karnataka and outside Karnataka. Good morning. At the outset, my heartfelt gratitude to the heads of AIDS, Computer Science, CS&BS and ECE for initiating this noble event. For those of you outside KS Group of Institutions, Kamavari Sangam was established in the year 1952 with the sole objective of providing charitable service to community and society. It is a multi-activity, non-profit, voluntary service organization. The Sangam firmly believes that only quality and meaningful education can lay strong foundation for bringing about economic and societal changes to the lives of the people. Keeping this ideology, the Sangam established many renowned educational institutions since 1992. Right now, we have 2 engineering colleges, 1 polytechnic college, apart from degree college and PUC college. It is also extending free hostel accommodation and scholarship to deserving candidates. Furthermore, the Sangam has established a modern hospital in Bangalore with the latest diagnostic and treatment services to serve the community. The benevolent management also encourages the departments to initiate activities which will benefit the students in their future endeavors. One such activity is the one right now we are witnessing right now. We at Sangam firmly believe in preparing the engineers with good character. Dear participants, my colleagues are working day and night for the last couple of days to make your stay on our campus good and a memorable one. We try to provide the best. Please enjoy our stay on our campus and request you to carry only the good memories what you have on our campus for the next 24 hours. If you have any bad memories, please leave it to us. So we will take care of that bad memories to correct ourselves for the next event. Finally, before I sign off, on behalf of the management of KSSEM, our sincere thanks to the Dyashin Technosoft for continuously encouraging us to take this type of events in the campus. With these few words, thank you very much. God bless. Happy learning. Thank you.
Thank you for your insightful words, sir. Now this brings us to the end of the inauguration ceremony of HIRE-4-THON. I now invite Mrs. Sruthy ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this wonderful occasion of HIRE-4-THON, a national level hackathon. On behalf of organizing committee, I, Professor Sruthy Nair, Department of AIDS, would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all the dignitaries, guests, panel members, teaching and non-teaching staffs, participants, and volunteers. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Sri Rajagopal Naidu sir, President Kamawari Sangam, for all the support and his guidance. I'd also like to express my sincere gratitude to Sri Leela Shankar sir, Honorable Secretary Kamawari Sangam, in his absentia. I also like to express my sincere gratitude to Sri Nirajakshalu Naidu sir, Treasurer Kamawari Sangam, for all his support. Our special thanks to our guests, Mr. Rakesh sir and Mr. Rajashekar sir, for gracing this occasion. Our special thanks to our principal sir, Professor Suresh Ramaswamyreddy sir, for his continuous motivation and support. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to all our heads of various departments and faculty members for their guidance, encouragement, and support throughout the planning and execution of this event. A big thank you to all the teaching and non-teaching staffs who work behind the scenes to ensure that everything ran smoothly. I would also like to appreciate the organizing committees, volunteers, and student coordinators whose dedication, teamwork, and hard work made this event possible. Also, thanks to office staff, hostel team, transportation team, electricians, and securities. We extend our best wishes to each and every participant present here. May this hackathon be a great opportunity for you to show your creativity, innovation, and problem-solving skills. Last but not the least, I thank everyone present here for your valuable time and presence, which made this occasion even more special. With this, I conclude. Thank you once again, and I wish you all have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you. I also thank all the principals from KSDI group of institution. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. This officially ends our inauguration ceremony for HIRE-4-THON. To break down the challenges and walk us through the evaluation criteria that will define the winners of HIRE-4-THON, I am honored to invite Rajshekar sir from our esteemed panel to explain the rules and regulations of the hackathon. I now request Rajshekhar sir to explain the rules and regulations of the hackathon.
So good morning, guys. Good morning. So glad to see the number of participants here. Congrats to the entire management who are conducting this hackathon. It is already successful by seeing the number of participants who came from various places to participate in this hackathon. So keeping winning or losing aside, whoever is going to participate in this hackathon are going to take away a few key important things from here. So whoever is going to participate, you will all have certain things wherein designing, development, which is nothing but implementation, and teamwork. It is not any individual's work to complete the entire hackathon. It is completely a teamwork, right? So you will see the entire software development life cycle within this hackathon event, and it definitely adds on to your resume. So whatever you are going to do in this 24 hours, you will never forget in your entire lifetime, because you are going to do it on your own, correct? So the teams will be doing it individually and demonstrating to us, right? So you will never forget this in your entire lifetime, and you will definitely take away a lot of memories and learning from this hackathon, right? So let us just see the process of this hackathon, how it works, okay? So the team formation and eligibility is already done. We have 2 to 4 members from multiple engineering colleges who are participating here. So there are primarily there are 4 rounds here in this hackathon. The first round will be design round, wherein you are not allowed to use any internet connectivity, which means you should not use your mobiles or laptops or desktops. So you will not be using internet in the first round. So this will be for 4 hours, wherein we provide you the problem statement. That the problem statement will be provided just before the hackathon starts. So you will have 4 hours of time for the design round, wherein your team should come up with the handwritten architecture of the application which you are going to develop, along with the UI UX wireframes for the application which you are going to develop. Okay, and this first round will have the weightage of 30%. Okay, first round will have the weightage of 30%, where we evaluate your thinking ability and design skills and the kind of architecture you are coming up with. Okay, clear? Any doubts with that? So the second round is the implementation round. It will be for 18 hours. It will be for 18 hours. Okay, so where you will have the access to your mobile phones, you will have access to your laptops or desktops, and you will also have the internet connectivity. It is up to you guys which tools you will be using or which technologies you are going to use. It is completely up to you. So it is up to the team members to choose the technologies and everything. Okay, so the round 2 will be for 18 hours, where you implement the entire problem statement, and you also should prepare for the presentation. So which doesn't need any PPT to be created, rather you present your application to the evaluator. Okay, clear? So if we see any teams get tied up, like same marks are scored by multiple teams, in that case, we will move those particular teams for the presentation round. Or else the hackathon will be end with round 2. I mean, we will get to know the winners and runners in the round 2 itself. Okay, where you will showcase your project implementation and present your project. Okay, so if there is any tie, then we go for the presentation round, where it will be for 2 hours, where you will be presenting thoroughly. Okay, you will take more time and present your application. This will be only for the teams who are selected in the second round. If we don't have any tie-up in the second round, then it ends in the second round itself. If we have any tie, then only we will move to the third round. Okay, so finally we will have the closing ceremony, and we will be announcing the winners and runners. So as the dignitary is already told, the first winning team will get the job offer from Dyashin Technosoft, and the other 2 teams runner-ups will get the internship offer from Dyashin Technosoft. Okay, clear? So you can just go through the each round in detail. So we will be providing with the problem statement just before the hackathon is started. And what we expect from the first round is UI UX screens, where you will have the rough sheets and pen or pens with you, where you will be drawing the UI UX and showcase that to the panel. Okay. So everyone are clear? Can we move on to the next slide? So implementation round, where you can definitely have access to all your mobile phones or internet. So you are free to use any resource from the internet. Okay. But what we majorly focus on is the kind of innovation you bring up to this particular use case. So what innovation you are bringing up to the use case is what we look at. Okay. And obviously you can also add any extra features to this application if required. Okay, so that also will have some weightage for the second round. Okay, it's up to you guys. If you feel adding this particular feature to this problem statement makes it even better, so please add it, so it provides a value addition to your implementation round. So every problem statement, when you are implementing, it should have a front end, it should have a front end, back end, and database. Okay, all 3 are mandatory. It's going to be a full stack application altogether, and it's up to you if you would like to host it somewhere, any free server. If you wanted to host it, it's up to you. You can host and showcase that. Okay, and also you can use any third-party libraries or frameworks. It's up to you. Okay, and for the front end and back end and database, it is completely open. You can use any framework or any technology. So if you want to do it just in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can do it. Or if you would like to use Angular, React, or Vue, any frameworks, it's up to you. And for backend, you can use Java or Python or C#, anything. Okay, you can use any frameworks which you know. Okay, but make sure you can use AI. You can use AI. Yes, you are open to use AI also, but make sure that you are all knowing what you are writing there. Okay, whatever the code you write, you should be aware of that. Or else, whether you will be considered? Definitely not. So, whatever you are writing in your system, you should be completely aware of each line. Okay? So, please make sure that you are knowing it entirely. But we don't have any restriction with using AI or any other tools. So, presentation round, it will be an optional round. If we have any tie in the second round, then only we will have this presentation round. Okay? So, in the finals closing ceremony, the top 3 teams will be announced and your respective prizes will be distributed accordingly. And you should follow the timelines. First round will be closed within 4 hours. Let's say if you have completed the designing round within 2 hours or 3 hours, definitely you can approach the panel to evaluate that. And same goes to the second round also. Okay? But please don't be in a hurry. Just think, take your own time and do it. Okay? So you are not allowed to use any plagiarized content. You know what is meant by plagiarized content? Just downloading a project from a GitHub or GitLab repository and showcasing that this is what I have developed. It doesn't work out because we have tools which can easily predict whether it is plagiarized or not. Okay, so it doesn't work. So make sure your project is quite unique. And you can definitely publish the code to GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket, any repository. So the organizers are not responsible for any damage or loss of personal devices, equipment, or data during this hackathon. And please go through the code of conduct once. Hope everything is clear. So anyone has any questions? Any questions? No? Then we are good to go. All the best, guys. Please do well. And all the best for everyone. Thank you.
I request everyone to Only team leaders to go to their allotted venues. For whoever AD seminar is allotted, please be here. Others can go to their venues. Check the team names in the side.
B208. Whoever's venue is B208, please stay here only.
ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತು AD seminar ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತು
AD seminar ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ? Whoever's venue is B208, please stay here only. Check your venue details in the file.